Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to take the Slash out, two-wheel drive Slash out, and with this Hilldow battery, 3S battery. So 5300 milliamp, 60C. We will put this in my Slash, two-wheel drive. So we're gonna slam this battery in here, get that in there, and then go run it. We're just gonna do some street bashing here in the parking lot. A little empty right here, and just run it till it dies and see how long we can go. I got it fully charged. You saw in the video when I did the unboxing, I had it, I charged them all up, ready to go. So let me get this battery thrown in and we'll get to bashing. All right, guys, this is a 1415 2400 kV motor, and I got the Sidewinder 4 in there from Castle. Good setup. I also have Mod 1 gears. I'm not sure exactly. I used the E-Revo spur gear, and I put the slipper eliminator in here. The hop-ups that I have, and I also have the beefier, the heavy-duty drive shafts in the back. Other than that, it's bone stock. The rear shocks are super light, so it's just a fun car to beat up on. That's all. So let's get the body on and go cruising. All right, let's get her going. Get it out of here before everybody shows up for work. Just got all sorts of power. There we go. There's the wheelies. I got the wheelie bar on the ground too, and still lifts that front end up. Parachute. Thought I had it. Oh, I broke the front end. Yeah, I broke it hitting that curve over there. Can we fix it? Can we fix it? No, I broke it. We're gonna have to get new ones of those. Sorry guys. I guess I should have taken a little more easy. Thought I had that turn and just kept sliding into the curb, so. And I don't have anything to fix that right now. So, I think we'll go with Some different ones this time. Heard those break a lot. So anyway, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next curb.